Hi friends, today we are going to learn standard 5th maths Roman numbers. So chapter 1 is Roman numbers, and in this video we are going to learn what is Roman numbers, the explanation about the Roman numbers we are going to see in this video, and problem set 1 we will see in the next video. So let's start this video. So what is this? This is a clock where you have seen some numbers which look like alphabets. Yes. So what are those? These are called the Roman numerals. So what are Roman numerals? In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. So, did you understand? In Europe, in olden times, Roman capital letters were used to write the numbers. So, these numbers are called Roman numerals. So, in this method, what we learn first, we learn the symbols. Symbol of 1 is I, symbol of 5 is V, symbol of 10 is X. So this is most important. What we have to learn is 1 symbol is I, 5 symbol is V, and 10 symbol is X. Okay, and there is no symbol for 0. This is next important point. Also, the value of a symbol did not change its place. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numerals. Means whenever we are writing Roman numerals, we have to follow some rules. So what are those rules? So let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbol 1 to 5. Means to write Roman numerals 1 to 20, we have to follow some rules and we have to understand these three symbols. So what is rule number 1? If either of the symbol I or X is written consequently 2 or 3 times, consequently means continuously 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. See the example, I is 1 and this I is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. I, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Rule number 2, the symbol I or X can be repeated consequently for a maximum number of 3 times. Means we can repeat these two symbols only 3 times. 2 to 3 times. Means what? Either I can write it I or I only 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not allowed. Or X I can write it 2 times or I can write it 3 times. So this is 10 and 10. This will be 20 and 10, 20, 30. This will be 30. But I cannot write it this way. This is not allowed. Okay. Next, the numeral V is never repeated consequently. Means this V is never repeated. You can never repeat it. You cannot write V, that is 5 and 5, 10. Or you cannot write V, that is 15. This is wrong. You can never repeat the symbol V. So this is rule 2. What is rule 3 now? When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, I or V, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Means this is V, okay, this is a right side of the V and this is left side of the V. So you have to remember right side, then you have to do plus, and left side you have to do minus. This we'll see in rule 4. First let's understand rule number 3. So right side you understood which is the right side. Now right side V and I. So 5 plus 1. So it is on the right side of V. I is on the right side of the V. So V plus I, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Same way Xi means 10 plus 1 11. XV means 10 plus 5 15. XII means 10 plus 2 is 7. Let's see rule number 4. Rule number 4, when I is written on the left of v or x, then its value is subtracted from the value of v or x. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before v or I. Means we cannot write 1, 2, 3 or we cannot write 1, 2. It is written only once before v or x, and only I can be written. On the left side only I can be written. We cannot write v on the left side. Okay. So this is rule number 4. Let's see the example. I v. So that is 5 minus 1. It is on the left side, so we are writing minus. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 10 minus 1 I x means 10 minus 1, that is 9. So this is rule number 4. Thus, to write the numbers from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, we first distribute a given number into group of 10 and 5 and then apply the rules above. So, we have to apply some rules for writing numbers 1 to 20. Which rules? Which we have learned above, the 4 rules. Now, this is 1 to 10, and 1 to 10 I have to make Roman numerals. So, I will apply the symbols I, V and X and the 4 rules which I have learned above. Okay. So, Roman numeral of 1 is I, Roman numeral of 2 is I, Roman numeral of 2 is I, 3 times I, and Roman numeral of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is wrong. As per the rule, we cannot write the symbol more than 3 times. So, how to write then 4? 4 we will write it 5 minus 1. So, this is our 4. 5, we know the symbol of 5 is V. 6 is VI, 6. 7 is V, 1, 2, 6, 7. 8 is V, 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9, again 9 we will write it as 10 minus 1, and the symbol of 10 is X. So this is Roman number 1 to 10. For Roman number 1 to 20, I have explained it in problem set 1. So do see the video of problem set 1 whose link is given in the description box of this video. So do see the next video for Roman number 1 to 20. If you like the video, please hit a like button. For next video, do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the complete video.